Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Rizki Maulana Ashidiq and my student number is 190 and also 7972. In this video, I will show you how to use a multimeter. So, before we jump to the experiment, we must know the multimeter. A multimeter can be used if we want to measure volt in our electrical device. So in this three hole we have, in upper one we have 10 ampere and the center I have V milliampere, and also for comb hole we have 4 black wire as positive wire and red wire as negative wire. After that, before you conduct the experiment, please be aware because in this experiment you may have electrify while conducting the experiment. So that's why if you want to experiment, you must guided by your parents or your guidance. And let's jump to the experiment. Before you turn on a multimeter, please rotate the button into 750 because usually in our electrical device use around 220 volt. So if we use on 200, it's not enough for a multimeter recognize it. So that's why we use 750. After that, put the red wire on V milliampere as negative wire and black milliampere in comb hole as positive wire. And after that, I have terminal cable here, and let's do the experiment. So put the test pin on terminal wire and please be careful because sometimes you maybe have electrify. So after that we can see the fault in this terminal wire is around 200 until 215. I think that's all. Thank you for watching and please be aware for this experiment. Bye bye.